This might look like just a chef slicing a duck, but what you're actually watching is a system perfected over 600 years in Beijing. Every cut you see here has a purpose. I went out expecting to just try Peking duck, but the moment the chef brought the duck out and started slicing it in front of me, I realized this wasn't just food, it felt structured, almost ritualistic. And that made me ask, why is something as simple as slicing meat treated with this level of precision? Peking duck is one of China's most famous dishes. It originated in imperial kitchens during the Ming Dynasty, where it was prepared exclusively for emperors. But here's what most people get wrong. It's not about the meat, it's about the skin. The entire preparation, from air drying the duck to roasting it, is designed to create that thin, crispy, almost glass-like skin. Watch closely. The chef isn't randomly cutting the duck. He's separating layers, skin, fat, and meat, with extreme precision. In traditional preparation, a single duck can be sliced into over 100 pieces. Why? Because each slice is meant to carry a balance: crisp skin on top, soft meat underneath. This is not cooking anymore. This is technique refined over generations. Then comes the second part: how you eat it. You take a thin pancake, add duck, add cucumber, add spring onions, and then a sweet bean sauce. You wrap it. It sounds simple, but even this is structured. The flavors are designed to balance richness, freshness, sweetness, and texture all in one bite. What I found interesting is this. In many cultures, food is just about taste, but here it's about process, precision, presentation, control. Even something as ordinary as a meal reflects a much deeper cultural mindset: discipline, structure, continuity. So no, this isn't just duck. It's history. It's culture. It's a system that's been preserved for centuries. And moments like this remind you that sometimes the most ordinary experiences have the most hidden depth.